What if I told you that a black hole is not really a hole at all? Not a tunnel, not a giant vacuum in space, and not even that glowing black sphere you see in movies. The truth is far stranger, and honestly, much harder to imagine. To understand a black hole, you only need to understand one thing. The more matter you squeeze into one place, the stronger gravity becomes. Imagine taking an enormous star and crushing all of its matter tighter and tighter. As everything gets compressed, the density rises higher and higher, and gravity grows more powerful. Now push that idea to the absolute extreme. Eventually, all that matter is forced into something called a singularity, and this is where reality starts to break down. A singularity is not a giant object floating in space. It is a single point. Literally a point like the tiny dot you used to place on a graph in school. No height, no width, no depth, just an unimaginable amount of matter crushed into something so small that it no longer even has measurable size. And because all that mass is packed into such an impossible point, the density becomes almost infinite, causing gravity to reach levels we can barely comprehend. So powerful that escaping it would require moving faster than light itself. And here's the terrifying part. Nothing can move faster than light. Not rockets, not planets, not even light itself. Which means once something gets too close, there is no escape. But gravity weakens with distance, so around the singularity, there is a certain boundary where escape speed becomes exactly equal to the speed of light. This boundary forms a giant invisible sphere, and this is what people actually call a black hole. The black sphere itself is not a solid object, it's just a region of space where escape becomes impossible, completely dark, completely silent, and the edge surrounding that darkness has a name: the event horizon. Cross that line, and the universe outside can never reach you again. Not even your final signal could escape. And that, in the simplest way possible, is what a black hole truly is. Not a cosmic monster swallowing everything instantly, but a place where gravity becomes so extreme that space, light, and even time itself begin to lose their meaning. And this is only the beginning, because black holes come in different types, are born from dying stars, and one day, even they may disappear.